The Acura ZDX is a mid-size luxury crossover SUV developed by Honda for its upmarket brand Acura. The car was originally planned to be called the MSX. The ZDX debuted at the 2009 New York International Auto Show on April 8, 2009, as a 2010 model. The latest iteration of the ZDX is the 2024 Acura ZDX. It is Acura's first all-electric SUV offering and is expected to arrive in 2024. The base spec model will get a 340 HP electric motor driving the rear wheels as standard, but a second motor is optional and brings with it all-wheel drive. With one motor, the ZDX A-Spec boasts an estimated driving range of 325 miles. Add the second motor, and that drops to 315. A 500 HP all-wheel drive variant wearing the vaunted Type S badge is also available and features a more aggressive suspension tune with adaptive dampers and larger Brembo brakes. Unfortunately, going for the performance trim drops the ZDX's range estimate to 288 miles per charge. The ZDX and ZDX Type S are expected to be priced in the $60,000 and $70,000 range, respectively. The new ZX's styling is interesting, with a floating roof, smooth body sides, and a faux grille with a light-up border. The following table summarizes some of the key features of the 2024 Acura ZDX. Model, base A-Spec. Powertrain, single-motor electric. Range, up to 325 miles. Price, $60,000. A-Spec, dual-motor electric. Up to 315 miles. $60,000. Type S, dual-motor electric. Up to 288 miles. $70,000. What's new for 2024? The ZDX nameplate returns for the 2024 model year attached to Acura's first all-electric SUV offering. It's hard for us not to recommend the range-topping Type S model. Given our experience with the ZDX's platform, the Cadillac Lyriq, the Type S's extra power should give it the zippy acceleration most EV drivers expect, but the cost is less range. If you're worried about not having enough driving range, then the single-motor A-Spec trim is the one for you. EV motor, power, and performance. The entry-level ZDX model is the single-motor A-Spec, which has 340 horsepower motor and drives the rear wheels. A second motor is optional on that model, and while it doesn't increase overall horsepower, it does add all-wheel drive. The model we're most intrigued by is the sportier Type S, which gets two motors and all-wheel drive as standard. The Type S's electric motors are tuned up to deliver a combined 500 horsepower, and it also features an air suspension system with adaptive dampers, plus Brembo brakes and 22-inch wheels. You can even order a ZDX Type S with summer tires, although all seasons are standard. Range, charging, and battery life. The ZDX will use GM's Ultium battery technology, and will be fitted with the same 102.0 kWh battery pack as the Lyriq. That battery is said to provide up to 325 miles of driving range in the A-Spec trim, but the Type S's range is lower at 288 miles per charge. DC fast charging is standard, and the ZDX can charge at rates as high as 190 kW, which Acura says can add 81 miles of range to the single-motor A-Spec model in just 10 minutes. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't released the ZDX's MPG estimates yet, but we expect them to be similar results to the Lyriq's. It's rated for up to 95 MPG city and 82 highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the ZDX on our 75 mile for highway fuel economy route and update this story with test results. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As expected, the production ZDX received a more conservative interior design than what was previewed by the Precision EV concept. The concept's yoke-style steering wheel has been replaced with a normal circular one, and a traditional infotainment touchscreen stands in for the transparent glass imagined by the concept's interior sketches. All ZDX models come with 2 rows of seating and room for 5 riders. We can see from photos that there are some parts shared with the GM cars it's built alongside, such as window switches and climate controls. But there's enough Acura design language inside to set the ZDX apart from the Lyriq. Infotainment and connectivity. An 11.3-inch infotainment display stands tall and proud on the center of the ZDX's dashboard, while a second, 11.0-inch gauge cluster display is nestled in the binnacle in front of the steering wheel. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, but the infotainment interface is built on Google's Android Automotive in-vehicle hardware, and features Google Maps as the default navigation system. All ZDX models come with a Bang & Olufsen stereo system featuring 14 speakers, some of which are hidden behind handsome brushed aluminum grills. Safety and driver assistance features. A host of driver assistance features come standard on the ZDX, including blind spot monitoring and automated emergency braking, but upgrading to the Acura Watch 360 Plus system will unlock a hands-free driving mode and adaptive cruise control. For more information about the ZDX's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a hands-free driving mode. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The ZDX's warranty package matches those of rivals such as the Cadillac Lyriq and the Lexus RZ. And both of those brands only cover the first maintenance visit, while Acura covers everything for the first 2 years, or 24,000 miles. Limited warranty covers 4 years, or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 6 years, or 70,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 2 years, or 24,000 miles. And that's it for now, my boys. You know where to find me. It's me, Axxduo. Catch me in the next one. Hope you like this one.